Welcome again for this our entertainment news. If you never subscribe, you did all. Hey. If you never subscribe to this our channel, you did all. Hey. I want to understand a year confirm of the day. Not be them say. See am for yourself, when you hear am for yourself. Now we dey do for this our platform. Now we dey do for this our channel. Entertainment wise we did. Political wise we did. Big standard gidigba as it is up. They bring them back to back. Make una do well to go subscribe, and as you dey subscribe, don't forget to turn on that notification bell where you dey get confirm update as they land, as in message go join enter your phone say update don show. And this is what they do for this our platform. So my people, on today entertainment news, we want to talk about this girl that they call Miss Adeola. Where she come from Ondo State. She say she want do her own cookathon. We all know say Hilda Baci don't collect her own win. Guinness record. They don't approve and say yes, she deserve the win. They don't give her the record. Say now the record dey with Hilda Baci now. She don't collect her from that Indian woman. Now this chef Adeola don't come out now say she want beat Hilda Baci. She want do 150 hours cookathon for Ondo State. She can show us her venue. She can show us everywhere where she want you to cook this thing. She don't start since last week, and the thing that they go on. She don't even pass 50 hours. She still they go. She everything they go well. Or people they support her. Some people they say which kind of nonsense with her. Say Hilda Baci we never reach 2 months. This one don't come and say she want break record. Say it no make sense. But other people are encouraging her that she's doing well. She should go for what she wants, and so far so good. She has been doing well. Other people for the state, for the ministers, honorable, they don't go see her for where she dey do her cookathon. So my people, wetin una think concerning this matter? Make we Nigeria support her. I will make we withdraw because say Hilda Baci never carry win reach 2 months or 3 months. Anyway, my people can now watch this video. If now watch the video finish, we will continue this our story. Watch this video.
My name is Adeola Blessing. I am from Iloluji, Ondo State, Nigeria. I am a graduate of Esaye University, Cotonou. Guess what? I am here to break the Guinness World Record for the longest cooking hour for 150 hours. Are you surprised? Yes, for 150 hours. Let me show you a tour of my kitchen setup. As you can see, I am ready for this, and I want you all to join me at TMF Lounge and Bar, 5 p.m. Nigeria.
So my people, wetin una think concerning the matter? Una encourage her, be una discourage her? I would like to know una opinion concerning this matter. Make una do well to comment for our comment section, and make una like and share this video. I beg with you, make una like and share. Until we meet again for another entertainment news. Now this one will bring comfort. Make una stay safe. Una done.